Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Nathan, President of SEA ANZ and Career at HaiRobotics. Welcome to join our HaiPick Climb launch today. We are glad to invite you to take a look at how our newest technology helps the automation transformation of warehouses with its simplicity, flexibility, and extreme high throughput. This is a significant milestone not only for HaiRobotics, but also for the users and also for the business who aim to achieve lean and efficient operation. We will walk you through the HaiPick Climb and highlight its transformative benefits. Please feel free to drop your questions in the chat box and our product expert will be addressing them at the Q&A session. Now let's review the groundbreaking innovation with a short video.
It's simple, it's compact, it delivers unmatched impact. Meet HaiPick Climb, a simplified approach to efficient warehouse automation. With simplified racking and minimal floor requirements, HaiPick Climb fits into any new or existing facility for rapid go-live. Robots climb a single side of the rack, minimizing connection points and freeing facilities from strict tolerance limits. Intuitive workstations streamline operations, so operators can get up to speed quickly, and order picking errors are nearly eliminated. Facing peak season rush or rapid business growth, you can simply add robots to boost throughput effortlessly. Start with what you need now and expand as your business grows. Simplicity paves the way to efficiency. Compact HaiClimbers move fast to reduce travel time, enabling order fulfillment within 2 minutes after receival to boost efficiency. Get the most of your space with maximum storage density that minimizes your inventory footprint. HaiClimbers pick from both sides of the aisle. They move freely up, down, and beneath racks, optimizing travel paths and enabling you to ship more orders than ever before. HaiPick Climb, simplified efficiency.
I'm sure you've all noticed something interesting. The HaiClimber is a design completely different from the traditional ASRS. It climbs at only one side of the rack with the easy requirements for the floor flatness. It comes with a minimal need of infrastructure and also fast implementation and easy maintenance, which makes HaiClimber a perfect fit for both new and existing facilities. It makes automation more than simple by lowering the bar of investment and reducing the installation complexity and lifting the efficiency, storage density, and scalability. Now, I'd like to hand it over to our CEO Richie, who will share more about the vision behind this cutting-edge solution.
Hi everyone, this is Richie Chen. I'm the founder and the CEO of HaiRobotics. Today, I would like to introduce our revolutionary new product to you, HaiPick Climb. The reason why we founded HaiRobotics is that we want to work with the best people around the world, and we want to push forward the progress of human civilization using robotics. What does it mean by pushing forward the progress of human civilization? It means that we want to bring tremendous value to the industry and to the world. A lot of warehouses and factories, they want to do automation, but they fear the complexity related with automation. That's why we develop HaiPick Climb that adapts to your needs whenever and however. Instead of having complex conveyors and environment, we put all the complexity into the robots. We have simple rack, simple floor, simple implementation, and a beautifully designed robot. Combining them together, we have a simple solution, and it simply works. Whether you have a greenfield or brownfield, HaiPick Climb is perfect for you. I would like to invite you to see a real demonstration of HaiPick Climb.
Thanks Richie for the inspiring overview. Now let's head to our Innovation Center, where my colleague Stefano will walk us through in detail for the HaiPick Climber's incredible capability. Let's go see it in action.
Welcome to our HaiRobotics Innovation Center, located in the Netherlands, where innovation meets reliability. We are thrilled to introduce our new HaiPick Climb solution. Today, you'll see how this cutting-edge technology transforms warehouse automation with its simplicity, speed and throughput, and future-ready design. Over the years, HaiRobotics has been continuously redefining automation with innovative and scalable solutions like HaiPick System 1 and 3. Building on that legacy, HaiPick Climb represents the pinnacle of innovation and reliability, designed for your businesses ready to embrace the future, and we cannot wait to show you its transformative values. So, what is HaiPick Climb? Well, it's a streamlined goods-to-person system using just one type of robot, the HaiClimber. It climbs racks using a single-sided guide rail, so freely navigating on, under, and between the racks. By handling the entire picking and put-away process alone, it keeps the installation simple while delivering impressive throughput. These plug-and-play robots are ready for actions once you power them on. So every aspect from setup to daily use has been designed and optimized to minimize complexity. Each HaiClimber attaches to a single rack side with extendable arms, cutting the usual connection points in half. This design reduces installation precision and floor flatness requirements, which simplifies installation and ensures stability at heights up to 12 meters. We've also made daily operation incredibly simple. Our intuitive workstation interface means operators can learn the system fast, even in high turnover environments. Fewer errors, fewer delays, and faster onboarding, all add up to a smoother, more efficient workflow and a quicker return on investment. At HaiRobotics, we believe speed and throughput are the keys to unlocking efficiency. HaiPick Climb's compact design allows the robots to move freely on, under, and between the racks, taking the shortest path to any tote. Combined with the rapid horizontal and vertical speeds, these robots can fulfill urgent orders in as little as 2 minutes, which is perfect for same-day delivery or heavy seasonal demand. With throughput reaching up to 4,000 totes per hour in a single 1,000 square meter zone, HaiPick Climb helps you handle fluctuating demands with ease, while reducing overall operational costs. But efficiency isn't just about speed. Our compact robots can navigate narrow aisles without needing cross aisles, and they scale racks up to 12 meters. That adds up to 30,000 store allocations in the same 1,000 square meter space mentioned before. By packing more inventory into a smaller footprint, you save on rent, avoid immediate facility expansions, and comfortably grow your operations over time. With HaiPick Climb, you'll achieve both rapid throughput and maximum storage density, driving real, sustainable growth for your business. HaiPick Climb isn't just built for now. It's designed to expand right alongside your business. What you see in our showroom is just a glimpse. In real-world operations, you can quickly add more robots and racks as the demand rises, so you can think big, start small, and scale fast without disrupting the daily operations. This scalable approach also makes HaiPick Climb incredibly flexible. Whether you're handling B2B or B2C or omnichannel fulfillment, the system adapts to changing layouts and diverse order profiles, so you can pivot quickly and stay ahead of market shifts. HaiPick Climb integrates safety and reliability at every level. Each system is fenced off to prevent unauthorized entry, ensuring your inventory stays secure. And all human interaction happens at ergonomic workstations away from active robots. Operators wearing the high safety vest can work safely alongside the running robots. The vest signals to the system to slow or stop robots when people come close, which is perfect for tasks like maintenance or cleaning. And because each robot operates independently from the rest, there is no single point of failure. So if one robot encounters an issue, the rest simply keep working. That means you get consistent uptime that modern operations depend on. What you see here is just a glimpse of HaiPick Climb's potential. It's a straightforward approach to efficient warehouse automation, boosting performance, cutting out complexity, and helping you stay ahead of every change in demands. Thank you for joining us for the first ever reveal of HaiPick Climb. right here in the European Innovation Center. We have reached the end of this release event, and we're ready to answer any questions you may have.
Thank you, Stefano, for the demo. It's truly amazing to see the robot in action. I'm sure many of you are eager to have your questions answered. So let's welcome our product expert, Gianni, and Gianni will answer the questions we've collected so far. Let's dive in.
My name is Gianni Girolami. I'm Director of Strategic Accounts at the Southeast Asia region for HaiRobotics. We collected some questions. So the first question is, I didn't see any QR codes on the totes, so how can the system or the robot successfully retrieve the tote? The answer to this is the robot uses 2 points of location management. One is the guide rail for the climbing, the other one is the beam for the racks. Then in addition, it has a hook gripper, like a fixation detection, which assures an accurate and a safe retrieval of the tote. Okay, second question. The robot has its own weight, it has a tote weight, so it's quite heavy. It goes very high, 10 meters, 12 meters. How do we prevent it from falling down? Is it safe? Very good question. We have several safety measures. One would be the electronic brake system. So when there is divergence and abnormality in the motor speed, the electronic brakes stop the robot. In addition, we have a mechanical brake, which means the robot physically locks into the rack and makes it physically impossible for the robot to fall down. So this is 100% fail-proof. Third question. Why did you decide to only have the robot climb at one side of the aisle, as opposed to conventional systems where you have guiding rails at both sides of the aisle on each rack? So when we designed the system, we really thought about how can we take the complexity out of the system? How can we take as many constraints as possible out of the system? So take, for example, the floor levelness, right? This is a constraint. The rack, can it be tilted a little bit, or should it be really straight? This is another constraint. So if you want to take all these constraints out of the system, if you want to have a more resilient system, then you need to have a smarter robot. And this is what we build. So our robot can handle a less even floor. If the rack is a little bit tilted, our robot will still be able to take the totes from both sides of the aisle. And so in this way, we remove the complexity of the installation. We have a faster installation. Obviously, it's a more resilient, a more fail-proof system because, you know, the less constraints you get, or the less guide rails, for example, the less points of failure you have. Next question. The robots have space to move under the racks. Doesn't this sacrifice storage density? It's a very good observation. So we keep space under the racks. In this way, the robot can move 100% freely. It can go up, down, left, right, diagonal. And a more efficient routing for the robot means that it will work faster. A faster robot means that for the same volume, you need less robots to get your throughput fulfilled. In other words, a higher ROI. Now, does this really impact the storage density? Not really. As the robots move under the racks, we don't need additional highways between the racks. So it's like balancing out. In the end, with the system, we get a much higher throughput, less robots, a better ROI, and a very good storage density.
Thank you, Gianni, for sharing with us. If you have further questions, please feel free to contact our sales team. They are always happy to assist. We look forward to seeing the impact of this new technology will have on the future warehousing and logistics. And we are excited about what lies ahead. Thank you again for being with us today, and I wish you a wonderful day. Goodbye.